Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to replace a handle on your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, regardless of whether it is for the fresh food door or for the freezer door, we'll need to remove a couple of screws on the large end cap, and then we'll lift that handle away. The replacement handle may be longer than the refrigerator you're replacing it on and may need to be cut to fit. So on this one, we're going to change the handle on the fresh food door. Simply remove the two Phillips screws on the end cap. And we'll lift that handle off. You can lift the end cap off of the old handle as well. If you were replacing one on the freezer, you would need to remove the two screws from the bottom. Now we'll take the old handle, place it beside the new one, and cut it to length. So we'll just place them side by side. And we'll make a mark. Now you can either cut that handle with a hacksaw, or if you have a Dremel type tool or a zip wheel for your angle grinder, you can cut that as well. Just be sure that if you're using either of those items, that you wear the proper safety wear. Try to get a nice straight cut. Now there is a small folded rib in the center of that, so once we've cut all around the exterior of it, you can typically just bend that back and forth to snap that off. We'll just file that sharp edge off. And now we're ready to install the new handle back onto the refrigerator. Now next we'll open that refrigerator door up again. We'll fit the narrow end of the handle into the bottom holder. Make sure it's fully inserted. Take the handle cap, fit that down into place. Line up the screw holes on the top of the door. And tighten those securely. We can close the door up, and your repair is complete.